China has used its domestically developed Wing Loong unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, for Typhoon reconnaissance for the first time, according to its developer, the Aviation Industry Corporation of China, AVIC. The fixed-wing drone carried out pre-typhoon surveillance and post-typhoon damage assessment as Typhoon Wifa impacted southern China this week. The aircraft reportedly flew through extreme conditions, strong winds, heavy rain, and low visibility, to gather early warning data and identify disaster zones across western Guangdong. AVIC said the UAV's synthetic aperture radar allowed it to capture real-time images despite thick clouds and rain, transmitting the data directly to the Provincial Emergency Command Center. The information helped authorities assess risks, plan flood control measures, and coordinate rescue operations. Flying along the typhoon's path, the drone detected rising river levels, submerged roads, and flooded agricultural areas. Its airborne base station also re-established public communication in affected zones by sending over 6,000 text messages, creating what AVIC described as an aerial lifeline for isolated communities. Wing Loong has previously been used in disaster relief operations during earthquakes and severe rainstorms, but this marks its first use for typhoon early warning and assessment. The Wing Loong is a medium-altitude long-endurance, male, unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, developed by Chengdu Aircraft Industry Group in the People's Republic of China. Intended for aerial surveillance and reconnaissance, it is also capable of being equipped with air-to-surface weapons to serve as an unmanned combat aircraft, UCAV. According to marketing information officially released by CADI, the Wing Loong can carry BA-7 air-to-surface missiles, YZ-2 12 laser-guided bombs, YZ-102A anti-personnel bombs, and LS-6 50 kg guided mini-bombs.